Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. For those new, how you guys doing? It's Sunday here in Cali. Sunday, fun day. Sunny, as you guys can see. Beautiful day. Just back from the honeymoon, doing a little jog. I lose the extra weight, extra pounds, extra calories from the honeymoon. Even my son. Let's see if he's awake. Yep, he's awake. He's chilling. There's the second baby. Just got a workout on. No gym, gyms are closed again, so gotta improvise.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star.
I wasn't planning on doing a video like this. Who's laughing over there? Oh, yeah. I really wasn't, guys, but it's a little video to motivate anybody out there who actually needs it, you know? There's no excuses, it don't matter. Anybody out there who needs it, you know? Get your ass up and start doing your things. Go out there, work out. Do what you have to do. Don't let yourself go down. It's just a little motivation, guys. But oh, get your ass up and start working out, guys. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep going. You all gotta work out, huh? Anywho, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, guys. And like always, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy out there, guys. Until next time. Son and Daddy out.